Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you doing? Today we are going to learn about my hobby. With me, Nita Dwiwanti. Today we are going to study Bahasa Inggris kelas 7, semester 1, chapter 2. The title is This is Me, Learning Activity, My Hobby. There are three learning objectives of the lesson. They are 1. We will learn to talk about some popular hobbies. 2. We will learn the expressions of how to ask and tell about hobbies. 3. We will learn to express one's likes and dislikes. And the advantages of the lesson are 1. To enriches your life and gives you a different perspective on things. 2. Hobby challenges you, gives new experiences, and helps bad habits and wasting time. The definition of hobby is an activity done regularly in one's leisure time for pleasure, or an activity that you do for pleasure in your spare time. And the social function of the lesson is having a hobby can help you to develop new skills and create a bond with others in your social life. Here are some pictures of hobby. There are some kinds of hobbies that we can do in our leisure time. For example, cooking, or reading a book, painting, swimming, singing, planting, playing football, cycling, listening to music, or watching TV, or another hobbies. After mentioning kinds of hobby, answer the questions below. Number 1. Do you have any hobbies? Number 2. What is your hobby? Number 3. What will you say to ask about hobby to someone? Number 4. How do you answer when someone asks about your hobby? Here are some expressions of how to ask about hobby. For example, what did you do this weekend? Number 2. What kind of things do you like to do? And etc. etc. Okay, when someone asks you about your hobby, you may answer in two ways. You may answer things that you like, or you may answer things that you dislike. Things that you like, for example, I like to blah blah blah. In my leisure time, I love to blah blah blah. Or you may answer things that you dislike. For example, I hate to go fishing. Or I dislike doing blah blah blah. There are some language features that we have to pay attention when we are talking about hobby. The first one, the using of phrases. For example, every blah blah blah, twice a blah blah blah. And the adjective, for example, creative, enjoyable, relaxing, etc. And also the common verbs. For example, like, dislike, love, enjoy. In task 1, after learning the explanation, fill in the blanks below. Number 1. What is the definition of hobby? Number 2. What is the social function of telling about our hobby? Number 3. What are the generic structures of hobby expression? Number 4. What are the language features of hobby expression? In task 2, look at your English book, page 30 and 31. Read carefully and then write down about their hobbies. Here, on page 30 and 31, there are descriptive text about hobby. You may do the exercise in groups or individually. After reading the descriptive text, you may answer the questions on page 32. In task 3, there are 5 multiple choices that you have to answer based on the text given. In task 4, there are 5 questions that you have to answer. The instruction is arrange these jumbled words correctly into a good sentences. In task 5, after studying the lesson, come forward to the classroom and then practice the dialogue about showing your hobbies with your friends in pairs. Students come forward in pairs to do role play in front of the classroom. Next, we come to the reflection section. There are 4 questions that you have to answer as your reflection. Number 1, in this activity, I have learned about blah blah blah. Number 2, the key features of hobby include blah blah blah. Number 3, what I like most about this activity is or are blah blah blah. Number 4, what I need to improve or learn more is or are blah blah blah. Okay, now we are at the end of the lesson today. But before we close the lesson, I want to ask you first, how do you feel about the lesson? Are you happy? Or are you sleepy? Maybe you get confused or feel bored. You may answer whatever the feeling you have. Okay? Thank you for today. See you again in the next meeting with me, Nita Dwiwati. Assalamualaikum. Bye.